All the game where you play to fit it bring me down, all of them, they my hand. So after you don't start to they press me down, me, I don't know. I only follow you, say I trust you. You can't begin bring idea of content. You want to bring me down to enrich your family. I know all the corners where you use. You can't say the people where you the phone, they tell say, I they do drug, I they do ads. You no rich. You need our own platform. You even need my own maths, my own platform to publish on. You can't bring in say more create. From there, go content will can they create. Now for you to fail bring the idea. The remaining one are for you to create lines. I don't know say you summarizing now for you to bring me down. Come begin create content. See Okotor they do as. You know last time. A lot of those content in my clear at it one. A lot. Oh man, what we say? Come create content. Where I say drive enter. Where I say Okotor. I always can't container. Okotor, how many times have I stopped you to stop doing this thing? Even if I'm the you. Every content in social media. It was a funny content, right? But my fan can't take on serious. Now a lot of those videos, this is what they redo has because I am so authentic that my content is about my life. So I don't need fucked up. Because anything I act, my fans will believe it. I know they go create person story. Now I bat my life at the art. Remember the eyes can, Gina. I hold the eyes can. Oh wow, man. You reach to the extent that we now need our platform to take sell the market. How many times have you got the deal? I say, how many times have I told you to stop doing this thing? My meeting a content with the art. I don't know say your own mind towards me different. Or my JV oh damn me or David my way here for street or myself we can't go now go una house. Your mommy can't see and your mommy call your jump is our miss. Scatter everything. Scatter everything. If you follow me go, only my EA ass why still they go. I'll carry you follow body. You never see me once I'll leave you for us. I go there with my EA for side room. Yes, will they a parlor? You sit down there. If a can't be follow, you go sit down there. If you no get follow, you go sit down there. Or camera. Or go me go here. You can never I am mamaje. But I saw where you and your mama you're doing so they discuss. For not to feel like say as I be orphan. Now you go walk past. Now my body will not take stop. You know that. You see me say for a very long time. I carry my mama late picture or my papa picture. Come they cry online. Say my papa is there, made there for pity me. He go away. Go and ask my father and my mother's family. I'm an orphan that's supposed to be disturbed. They are in Europe. They are in the different country. They're supposed to be calling them, phoning them for food, money, and everything. He will go. I they do my own, they go. Now they would say, this boy, I say they do one. And my own, they do, they go. I know they disturb anybody. Una coffee say, una feel just shook me the pain like that. You know understand? And I call many things they were never reveal. Many things they. How not to do the sacrifice with it decline. How everything take play. It did. You know understand? It did. My mama have been fighting for me. A girl where she saying no, in the power too strong. Now I go invoke my papa come for me. I say, now after my papa resurrect through me, now I say no say this man, he really strong when he dey alive. It's just that the papa family do damage control. They make me hate my father. By the time I can realize, you cannot buy new one in the market. If you make me hate my father, you could not give me another father. You could not give me another mother. Fuck everybody. You know understand? Whether how many people will take their life when they are alive. Oh, now granted they stand. it was a ground in the stand. That man is so strong to the extent that it was a rival to the mother. When they bring her down, they happy where he never die. When they say he don't die, na cove when go. As they come back, you not see body enter. Spirit start to disturb. The day they want go bury him for Savior, they through the street, we face a bar. The camera where they take carry the body is who can. They not carry pass there. They can't go out to please and bring another motor to come and carry him. He weak the motor, just knock him down there to come and carry him. And when I be the goat where they take put on for ground, no reach him. His spirit see they disturb. Now they take sacrifice the last born. The male last born will be there where another woman born for her. Now maybe the last born before, but another woman born another last born for her. It was so young. I know everything. They have to sacrifice that boy for him. Although they say na poison kill him. No wahala. I go to astral realm. The truth, everything they man. Because the papa family, understand. I te want my mom. Why te want my mom? I on that boy yare. To just hide life for me, you make me blind. You know, you make me blind. If I don't forget the truth from the word, I go astral realm go get the truth. They have to sacrifice that last born, give him for his spirit to feel rest. They have to sacrifice that boy, give him for his spirit to feel rest. Now I cut it on overall last born. You don't understand. There's a lot of things. I experienced life in the hard way, which I decided to be smiling. Do you think I did not experience life? I was just a little baby boy. When my mama you go down. My papa family, I ask them, what you do my mom see? They not really tell me the truth. If you feel where you are, I can't dislike my mother for a very long time. Say how my mama will cheat on my dad. I feel where you are, but where? Now when I call grow, I can't realize say my papa not put money for my mama head. But I feel where you are, I can't see you when you could go get great grandma. And the fan truths they go. I give Moses. Emata. Yeah, I could not Emata, my man, my beer. You don't understand? I can go ask great grandma. She done late now. Oh, it don't tell, but she not still open everything for me. May not cause me depression. Oh, it talking like that. Let me say, so daddy gay Chevy. They look on a truth at the fair they go. So daddy gay Chevy. Now few days I can go ask my after I do the pain, do the con, for mama messing. Another I come out when Irani on one song, no. Emiame a was they say, Emana usually corner ya come away. Emiame na guy fo. Once this sickness finish, now you want bring to replace on because society my papa did, now you might be they go down for it. To replace. If you now you want bring you really say go and make sacrifice to please the God. Love the cash my mama not do. After my papa, he finish. He don't gather his strength. Now I use my mama replace. You know understand. Now the same sickness hold on in 20-something year when you want come. Because after like 2010 to 2015, yeah, mama not play again. So like 2015 or so, you can't come. One can beg your mama for forgiveness or sin. Because he don't weak on strength. He's sick again now. He needs someone to replace. So if you want to carry mama or his senior son, where mama not take grain, they can't do like say they forgive him. You know that he can't sleep. In the night, he not go cover. He even make fake call. Like saying the active. Made in the baba then the barbarian. Person with peace and shit around 4, you can't die by 5. No, he sleep. He go coven. As they come back, they know. For our tradition, if you go coven, gather you do your body. If you come, you know if you enter. Now I put to that man. His spirit, his soul, not coffee enter the body. Or you're gonna start to the cry or wound because they need to take him down. A lot of people don't go down for his sake. Well, I say, I'm not making this video for anything. Or our documentary on my platform.